Hello, thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. In today's video, I will be introducing the Sandpaper Letters from the language section and on instructions on how it can be easily made. This video is made for those that would like to learn how to use Montessori materials and for those that would like to homeschool their own children. Please press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child about matching the letters sound with their graphic symbols and to prepare for writing and reading. The instructions for the activity are: introduce the child to 3 letters that are recognizably different in shapes and sounds, starting with the letters M, A, and S. Place those 3 letters on a tray and have the child carry them to the work area and place it on the left side. Place those 3 letters in a stack. Next, place letter M in front of the child. Start the 3-period lesson naming phase by saying, "This letter is M." Hold the sandpaper letter M from the left side in place and slowly trace the letter very lightly from beginning to finish with the pointer finger of the right hand. Clearly pronounce the phonetic sound of letter M to the child. Trace the letter 3 times, saying its sound at the end of each tracing. Next, explain the context and meaning for the phonetic sound by naming a few words that begin with the sound M. Example would be, say to the child, M is the initial sound in the word mop, mat, and mom. Make sure to emphasize the initial sound when saying each words. Have the child trace and say the phonetic sound of the letter 3 times. Move the letter M card to the left and introduce the letter A and S the same way. After introducing the 3 letters, move on to the recognition phase of the 3-period lesson in reverse order of the naming phase. Example would be, please trace S. Can you please trace A and then put it in my hand? Or please trace M and then place it in the corner of the table. Talk about other examples of words that begin with each sound. When the child is ready, move on to the recall phase of the 3-period lesson, what is part. Example would be, point to the letter A and say, please trace this letter and tell me what it is. Ask the child if they can think of a word that begins with the sound. If the child has trouble, offer some help. Follow the same step with the other letters. On a different day, go over the previous 3 letters and then the next 3 letters the same way, until all the letters in the alphabet has been introduced. When the child is finished with the activity, have them put the letters back on the language shelf. The activity can also easily be made by cutting out sandpaper into letter shapes and gluing it on cardstock paper, vowels in blue and consonants in either red or pink. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.